the leadership and management of Kasing Sining with Engineer Jare Aguilar and our theater team, we have dreamt and pushed into reality a festival spanning 7 days. 7 days po ang festival na ito, focusing on our own new theater experiment.
What does it mean to be an eco-cultural destination if we don't have something cultural in the province? We have, of course, syempre in our communities, but how can we make it, how can we offer that to our visitors, to our guests, if we see tourism as a main driver of economy dito sa atong probinsya? So this is a way of reaching out to you teachers. Be part of that planning. We need you to be on that same boat para mas mapakusog na to ang teatro diri sa Bohol. Let's create the future of Bohol Theater together.
This is a remarkable feat with guests from abroad and from across the country reflecting on our own praxis. Nandito sila para, ano kayang ginagawa ng Bohol? Let us applaud this historical venture which I hope will become an annual tradition celebrating our vibrant and evolving theater community.
Theater has been practiced by all the sectors in the communities of Bohol. Ito lang i-elevate lang natin, i-level up lang natin, and you're here. You have been promoting all over the country, here and abroad, and we want you to leave that legacy to Bohol.